Hey there and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will show you how to seamlessly switch between multiple accounts on Instagram. Whether you are managing personal or business profiles or just want to keep things organized, we have got you covered. So let's jump right in. First thing first, open the Instagram app on your device. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner to access your profile page. At the top of your profile page, tap your username to access the account menu. In the account menu, you will see an option to add account. There is an option to create a new account and log in into your existing account. Click on it. Enter the username and password of the Instagram account you want to add. If you are switching between accounts you have already added, tap on the appropriate account. Once you have added or selected another account, you can easily switch between them by tapping on your username at the top of your profile page. A drop-down list of your account will appear. Just select the one you want to switch to. And there you have it. You can now effortlessly switch between multiple Instagram accounts, making it easier to manage your online presence. Remember, keeping your account organized and secure is essential. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.